Hello everyone. We recently took a trip to Europe and covered few countries and I wanted to vlog it all out for you all. So here we go with the first travel vlog of the Europe trip. Our flight was at night and we reached Amsterdam around 10 a.m. and then all immigration and everything took about an hour or so. We clicked some pictures at Amsterdam airport. You can see them all on my Instagram. And then we booked a cab to our hotel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have already checked in our room. So let's start the vlog finally. So first we are in Amsterdam. So I'm traveling to Europe and I thought I should vlog my whole experience here. So let's start my travel series. This will be the episode 1 of Travel with Shruti. I think I should name it or Travel with Shruti or Travel with Me. Let me know in the comment section. Travel with Shruti is good. Yeah, let me quickly give you a room tour. And we are here at the Hyatt property, and it's right in the center of Amsterdam. And from here, we are going to few multiple countries. So come along with me and see what all countries we are going. And without any further ado, let's get started. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you end up liking it. Bye. It was a very beautiful deluxe room. It had like bed for two people and a desk right when we entered. The walls had some very beautiful artwork of flowers. Unfortunately, we didn't get the canal view room. However, it was very beautiful city view. The best part about this room was definitely the washroom. It had a big closet, and even the mirror was so good. You can see the time over here, and the shower area was nice. So now you have seen the room tour. It's a very beautiful property of Hyatt in Amsterdam. It's near the city central part of the city. So आज का हमारा plan है, we'll go and explore the city. यहीं पे पास में it's already 2 p.m. Our flight landed at 12 and उसके बाद घर आते आते I mean hotel आते आते it was 2 p.m. already. But the good part is आज का sunset time is 9:30, so we have enough of daytime today. So I'm thinking we'll just go and explore the city यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत, and we'll let you know what we explored. We'll show you how it was and everything. So stay tuned for that. I just took a shower and now I'm wearing this pink, if you can see. I'm wearing this pink crop top and white linen pant. I've applied moisturizer on my face, and now I'm applying this Smashbox primer so that my makeup stays for long. And next I'm using a Maybelline concealer to conceal my dark circles and pigment. Using this wet beauty sponge to quickly mix this. Using this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'll use a light shade, this orange soda. Apply it on my crease, a liner. This set my concealer with this Laura Mercier powder. Next up, I'll apply blush, a lot of blush, and do my brows using Benefit brow brush. I'll apply Smashbox Babe Alert lipstick. Mascara. This is from Benefit Cosmetics in travel size. and a setting spray, or just a spray to make your makeup all dewy. All the cream powder and everything are mixed well, and yeah, that's it, you are ready. That's it, I'm ready for Amsterdam. The name Amsterdam came from the dam on the river Amstel. You'll see find number of canals in Amsterdam. The city is famous for its history, canals, and along with that the nightlife, which we'll see how it is in the coming part of the videos. And cycling is the key to the city's modern character, and there are numerous biking paths and lanes spread throughout the entire city, which you can find. You can see here people are relaxing by the canal. They are just enjoying the coming summer days. It's still not summer there. You can say the spring is here. So हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी एक street पे. It's a super beautiful street. I'll show you around. There are yellow rose flowers. There are, I think Amsterdam is famous for roses and everything. और यहाँ पे आई थिंक सभी लोग साइकिल चला रहे हैं, विच इज़ सुपर क्रेजी बिकॉज आई हैवंट सीन एनी सिटी जहाँ पे इतनी सारी साइकिल्स हैं. इट्स लुकिंग super beautiful. If you ever get a chance to come to Europe, do visit Amsterdam. It's super beautiful, and right now the weather is good. It's sunny, so we are feeling better. Yeah, and let me show you around how beautiful this place is. हमने स्ट्रीट पे आई थिंक काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड किया. इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल. हमने काफ़ी पिक्चर्स क्लिक किए. सारे पिक्चर्स आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे देखने को मिल जाएंगे. एंड देन वी सैट देयर, रिलैक्स्ड अ बिट बाय द कैनाल. द वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग जो मुझे यहाँ पे दिखी कि इतनी सारी साइकिल पार्क्ड एक जगह. आई मीन ऐसे तो हमारे स्कूल में होता था, राइट? आई डोंट नो, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ आपके स्कूल में भी साइकिल्स ऐसे पार्क्ड होती थी. यहाँ पे सारी साइकिल्स कैनाल साइड पार्क. एंड यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी बोट्स भी पार्क्ड है जो कि लोग यूज़ करते हैं ट्रैवल करने के लिए. ऑल्सो कैनाल राइड्स होती है फॉर टूरिस्ट विच इज़ फॉर 16 यूरोज पर पर्सन आई थिंक. एंड काफ़ी अच्छा होता है वो. 30 मिनट्स 45 मिनट्स आपको टूर पे ले जाते हैं. बट राइट नाउ हम सिटी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रीट्स एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीट. दीज आर सो ब्यूटिफुल स्ट्रीट्स. यहाँ पे कितनी गार्डनिंग हो रखी है. आई थिंक दिस शुड बी कॉल्ड फ्लावर सिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इतने फ्लावर्स तो मैंने कहीं नहीं देखे. सी हाउ मेनी प्लांटेशंस. आई थिंक कोई सी ऑल दीज, पता नहीं है कौन सी प्लांट्स है. यहाँ पे पूरे बर्ड्स आने वाले हैं. एंड स्ट्रीट्स पे सी यहाँ पे जो लाइट्स है स्ट्रीट के मिड में, दिस इज समथिंग यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट. आई हैव नेवर सीन इट बिफोर. या दिस लुक्स सो गुड. सी दीज लाइट्स. या इट्स सो गुड, सो नाइस. और ये है यहाँ का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम, द ट्रैम. So if you are coming here and you are planning to take tram and public transportation, you can take a 1-day pass, and उस पे सारे transportations is free. Not free, is included basically. So subway comes under it, and these tram, shuttle, buses and everything. So if you are in Amsterdam, use those, or else you can keep walking and explore the streets, what we are doing now, because हम लोग तो यहाँ पे walk कर रहे हैं आज क्योंकि the streets are so beautiful. So we are here for 2 days, and we decided आज के दिन we'll explore the city by walking, and कल we'll take the 1-day pass and travel via subway, metro, and travel far from the place where we are staying. But today we are just traveling nearby. फिर हम निकल पड़े दूसरी स्ट्रीट की तरफ. एंड इफ़ यू आर इन यूरोप, मेक श्योर आप अच्छी जूते पहन रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमने लगभग 15,000 स्टेप्स हम हर दिन चले, विच वो सुपर टायरिंग, सो विंडी, और हम चलते चलते लिटरली थक चुके हैं। तो हम यहाँ इस पार्क में आए to take some rest and see what I found. There are like so many lavender flowers over here, and it's looking so beautiful. It's like lavender farm, as you can see here in the video. तो हम फाइनली आ गए हैं दैट्स अमोरे रेस्टोरेंट। यहाँ पे वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड पिज़्ज़ा एंड पास्ता। वी वर सो हंग्री, इतनी भूख लगी थी, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू कम हियर एंड इट्स सच अ प्रिटी रेस्टोरेंट ऑन द स्ट्रीट। सी हाउ आर पीपल सिटिंग एंड जस्ट लुकिंग आउटसाइड। सो अब मैं ये सब खाती हूँ एंड सी यू अगेन। हमने वापस से वॉक करना शुरू किया है ना, आप अगेन देख सकते हैं फिर एक कैनाल आया और वहाँ पे कितनी साइकिल्स फिर से पार्क्ड है। काफ़ी अलग सीन था वहाँ पे। एंड मैंने रिसर्च किया, वहाँ पे इतनी एक्सीडेंट्स होती है साइकिल की, बिकॉज लोग काफ़ी तेज़ साइकिल चला रहे होते हैं। तो अगर आप एम्स्टर्डम में हैं तो मेक श्योर आप पेडेस्ट्रियन के पाथ पे ही चल रहे हैं। अगर आप साइकिल वालों में हैं कि पाथ पे गलती से भी आ गए तो वो तो एक बहुत सीटी घंटी बजाएंगे एंड देन आपसे टक्कर भी हो सकती है एंड देन इंजरी हो सकता है। सो मेक श्योर यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन पेडेस्ट्रियन पाथ एंड नॉट ऑन साइक्लिस्ट पाथ। We are here now at Douglas Delight, and my husband Ayush, he is buying a small pastry for me. You can see there is such a cute bakery here. This has a lot of pastries and everything. You have asked me to stay outside. I can't even go inside. और हम आज घूमते घूमते आ गए एम्स्टर्डम्स मेन अट्रैक्शन, which is the Rijks Museum. It's the state museum with a vast collection of Dutch Golden Age art. But क्योंकि हम शाम को काफ़ी लेट हो गई थी हमें आने में, तो हमें म्यूज़ियम बंद मिला। एंड बट कोई नहीं, क्योंकि हमें बस आज सिटी एक्सप्लोर करनी थी तो हम एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर रहे थे हम म्यूज़ियम को ही जा पाए। बट द म्यूज़ियम वॉज सुपर ब्यूटिफुल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड। जब हम इसकी गलियों में वॉक कर रहे थे तो इसका आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर वॉज सुपर ब्यूटिफुल। पिलर्स एंड सीलिंग वॉज अगेन मैग्निफिसेंट, काफ़ी सुंदर था। सी हियर, सो सुपर ब्यूटिफुल। सो इट्स 7:18 इन द इवनिंग एंड हम यहाँ पे रिट्स म्यूजियम में आके बैठे हैं। आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग द करेक्ट नेम, आई विल राइट इट समवेयर हियर। सो नाउ आवर प्लान इज टू रैप अप द डे बट नॉट नाइट डेफिनेटली। सो ऑल्सो इट्स माई बर्थडे टुडे। Ayush, my husband, he got me this cake and I've asked me not to open it yet. So let's see what's there. And रात को we might go out for a party or for dinner. So stay tuned for that. But for now, we are just relaxing over here. This is Museum Plain, they call it. ये museum के पीछे का area है, back side. And this is nice, calm and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the vlog till now, and let's see what we do for the night. Even we haven't decided yet. We'll just wing it off. And yeah, it's a pretty good city. It's the day one, और अब शाम हो चुकी है already, and the sun, but precisely the sunset time is around 9:30. So I don't know कि अंधेरा कब होगा. I'll stay tuned for that also. And for weather, आज का मौसम was pleasant. You can wear a crop top or something, but अभी के time पे have a jacket, something like a jeans jacket or कोई भी पतला सा, so that you are still comfortable. And we mostly like to explore the day one ourselves. And हमारे आज के कोई plans नहीं थे कि हम कहीं जाने वाले हैं, कुछ करने वाले हैं. We just randomly walked on the street or researched a bit on the Google right then and walked along the street, along the canals. But for tomorrow we have a long list of things to do, a lot of things that we have to complete. So yeah, day 2 of the vlog will be coming soon. But yeah, before telling final bye, let's wait for the night. I don't know what's happening tonight, so stay tuned. Bye. So हम फाइनली ट्राम से जा रहे हैं to our hotel from the Lake Museum. And yeah, let's see. We just bought the ticket, and I'll tell you the story later. And with that हम आ चुके हैं हमारे होटल विच इज़ हैथ रेजेंसी एम्स्टर्डम में है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल होटल. ऑब्वियसली अगर आप जा रहे हैं तो ज़रूर एक बार चेकआउट करें. As you can see behind me there is a uncle sitting और वो literally गांजा बना रहा है. Because with cannabis are legal in Amsterdam, you can actually have ganja, cannabis and all that. I don't know, I'm not interested. I am not here to have that, but just FYI. And yeah, so now we are back to our hotel, and अब हम जाएंगे and we'll change. But अभी हम hotel के lounge में हैं and we have ordered hot chocolate. So I'm hoping it to be good because शाम हो गई थी, and then not शाम but थोड़ी ठंड हो गई थी, and then we wanted to drink something hot. So for that we have ordered hot chocolate, hoping it to be really good. And yeah, the story about the tram thing. So what happened, we actually have to get the tickets to board the tram, but we didn't know how to pay because obviously it's our first day, and we were coming back from that museum, the Rake Museum, which I showed you in the last snap. So we came back from there, and then we boarded the tram, and the women announced the person who have... Hey! So the woman on the tram announced that the two-person who just sat down can buy the tickets, and it was so embarrassing and also very funny. It was our first day in Amsterdam and we didn't know. So yeah, that's how, that's what happened on the tram. And we are back to the hotel now. As you can see, the decor and everything, it's so beautiful over here. I think it's inspired by garden. You can see so many leaves. And also our hot chocolate is here, so it's time to munch on that. You can see it's such a beautiful decor, such a beautiful hotel. So beautiful, so nice. Anyway guys, chalo, see you again. Bye. Hi guys, so yes, अब रात का बज रहा है 11, 11:30. कितना बज रहा है रात का? रात का बज रहा है 11:30. So it's 11:30 at the night, and we are going to a night club. It's called Scape. जिसकी booking actually पहले करनी थी. So we thankfully did it in last 12 minutes, and I'm almost ready. If you have seen my pack with me video, you know that I was going to wear this pant. This is all shiny pant for a night out, and with that I'm pairing this shiny top, which is again looking good. And to be just to be a bit modest, I'm wearing this blazer. I don't know if it's going with this or no, but doesn't matter. I'll just keep it off when I reach the escape bar. And for the earrings, I'm planning to wear this one. If you can see here, this. So yeah. And yeah, for the makeup, exactly, I haven't done anything to my makeup except I have changed my lipstick and I have sprayed that hairspray again. Apart from that, I haven't done literally anything. So if you have watched how I did my makeup, this is exactly how I did. And yeah, let me wear this and I'll be back. See you in the bar. Bye. Almost रात के 12 बज रहे हैं and you can see the night vibe of Amsterdam. This was the party area. यहाँ पे major bars थे, restaurants थे, and the vibe was so good. People are enjoying, they were dancing. I know most of them have taken cannabis or ganja wanja because obviously ये यहाँ पे legal है. But apart from that, it was so good. मजा आया. And that's how we ended the night. I cut a cake, Fanta piya, मजाक किया, dance किया, and that's bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. कल मिलते हैं with a fresh day in Amsterdam again. Till then, see you. Bye.